Hello viewers, welcome to today's program. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you. Please make sure that you press the subscription button, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Good news, good news, good news. We are happy to announce that according to the information on ground, that the military have left Orlu. Yay! Congratulations to every one of us. Congratulations to every strong-minded persons. Congratulations to the supporters of freedom. Congratulations to the supporters of ESN, because they are the engine room that said enough is enough. Else, the military would have been present in Orlu till date. If they have not been challenged, or if they are not challenged, to say, stop that. What you're doing to us is intimidation. They would have been there terrorizing the good people as usual, because it is in the custom of the Janjaweedism and the terrorists in the government structures, or the powers that be in the government of Nigeria, to cause havoc. They're moving the military, terrorize the people, and institute them in that location to ensure that the people remain conquered. At that point, the foot soldiers, that is the terrorist organizations they are breeding, from Boko Haram down to all of their agents, will start moving in gradually with confidence. But Orlu cases have set example. And that is what we stand to gain. That is what we stand to achieve. ESN have come to stay and must be supported with everything in us. It is the backbone of Biafra in as much as the freedom race is concerned. I must say this once again. The social, political, and economic, importance of Biafra have been stolen. Has been stolen by these people. I must be very frank with you, because I come from Old Eastern region doesn't mean truth should not be told. Nigerian government or the northern oligarchy through the Nigerian government have succeeded in stealing the political structure, economic structure, and the social structure of all Old Eastern region, including all Southern region. I must be very, very frank. How did they do this? Through the puppets which they mounted in all the governments of the states of South. See it this way. The only thing left now is the security structure. And security structure is a concern of everyone. Just like every other structure which they have stolen. But the fact is that we as a people are more concerned to security than all this other aspect. For instance, you may see somebody who is displaying, a kind of social activities within the community, and you will think, oh, it is his problem, it is his affairs, and it doesn't necessarily concern you, but ordinarily it does. Then in terms of politics, for the fact that we, especially we the Igbos, we are less concerned when it comes to the aspect of politics. So, and doesn't mean of recent that we don't have interest in it. But up to date, if you bring out 100 Igbo persons and ask them how is election conducted, who votes who, none of us can account for it, because we are more business-minded than what politics has to offer. So, and that is why the politicians in our locations are taking the advantages of that. And that is why they started instilling our political structure by mounting whoever they like as the leader, as the representative of Igbo people. Same thing is applicable to the socio-cultural structure of Ohaneze and Igbo, because we care not of the activities of these people. They do what they like, when they like, and how they like. Nobody cares. So, and that is why these people succeeded. But one thing with security is that it is something you cannot look away from as a person. Just like in the economic facet, they can use government structure or powers to manipulate it. It's normal. But in the aspect of security, like I made mention before, it is impossible, because when you see somebody slap another, you feel conscious of that. It is normal. When it is external aggression, it's more dangerous in perception. And that is why I love what our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did. He fought the political structure, and there is no stronghold, I must confess, even though IPOB has been shaking every secret, in that country, making sure that there is no stronghold to anything any longer, that the people must be set free. But when it comes to absolute resistance, security structure still remains the way to go. And that is why this ESN must be supported, as it is the only way out. I must be frank, because if the North should succeed in taking away the security structure of any region, just like they did, I want to use Hausas, I want to use also the Benue, I want to also use Nigeria as a whole, for example. They will continue, continually fighting every other structure until they find a way to intimidate the people into submission by taking over this security structure. Automatically, those people are conquered, because the powers over their security are no longer within them. That is a fact. So, and that is what they have been trying to do. What they have been trying to do with the East. But unfortunately, they cannot succeed, because it took Britain and every other colonial powers that have tried before them 39 good years to penetrate us. So even as they did not succeed, because we are still conscious of ourselves. The only thing is that they used this divide and rule system and the so-called warrant chiefs and all that to carry out their activities. Just like they are using currently the same divide and rule system in Nigeria, using the puppets in our government and every other social structural institutions. So we must support Eastern Security Network with our last veins. It's important, very, very important. Anybody who tells you Eastern Security Network is not legally backed up the way they continually want to psychologically let us know, tell the person that when IPOB wrote a letter to all the governors of all Eastern region, that they did not get any reply, and our people continuously dying until we said enough is enough and bring out something that will defend us. Again, tell the person that the evidence we have currently in Orlu, if the military were not resisted, by now they will still be in Orlu, terrorizing people. So, congratulations to all of us once again. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned.